Hey everybody, we're going to do a reverse dip using half of this ball. This is a doggy toy that I cut in half. You can get it at Walmart in the doggy department. I've painted my canvas black and let it dry a little bit. When you lift up the napkin on a black pour, all the white shows through. So you want to give it a coat and let it dry. Remember, if you like my videos, please hit subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing and it helps me get advertising to pay for my art supplies. You need 100 subscribers and it takes forever to get that many. I've been doing this for probably 7 or 8 months now and I've only got 47 subscribers. It is very hard to get subscribers. I think most people think that they have to pay or they're going to be aggravated to death with emails and texts and all this stuff. It doesn't happen that way. So please hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And to all my Facebook friends, I'm glad you're enjoying my videos. I get a lot of good feedback from Facebook. Put you a little bit in the middle when you're done spreading your paint. That lets your paint spread out good. My paint is Saks heavy-bodied acrylic. I use 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part acrylic, and 30% water for my base coat. For my paint, I use 1 part acrylic, 1 part Floetrol, and 20% water. I'm going to add some pearl medium to my white. This is metallic bronze. I don't like the way this white did. Okay, I use the tip of a paintbrush to push this through. I'm going to suction some of that paint out of the middle. I do it in a circular motion. I'm going to use a dry paper towel. This is 11 by 14, so I'm going to use a dinner towel. Lightly press down. When you pull your towel up, it pulls your paint to the middle, so you have a lot of paint right there. I like suctioning that out a little bit. That middle's very pretty. I'm going to leave that alone. I use a bent straw to blow my edges out. That's got it. That's pretty. Okay. Hope you enjoyed.